What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm coming at you with a different kind of video. So, when Gary and I aren't filming for the channel, I do my best to eat as healthy as possible. So this is a special video showing my go-to wrap. The go-to wrap that I make when I want to eat healthier and eat fresh. So let's take a look and see how I make my go-to wrap, shall we? Let's do it. First, you want to start off with a bag of leafy green romaine lettuce. Not a whole bag, but I love my leafy green romaine. And you want to get your favorite sliced pepper jack cheese. My slice of choice is Sargento. Their pepper jack is bangin', spicy, amazing flavor. This is the cheese I'm going to use. We need wraps. Bam. And the flavor? Sun-dried tomato basil. Are you surprised that I like something like this? These things are delicious. Now, an optional ingredient is cucumber, but I don't have cucumber right now. Sometimes I use cucumber, sometimes I don't. And what I'll use for the finishing touches? Some Wishbone Chipotle Ranch dressing. Now, of course, insert your favorite dressing here. But this stuff is amazing. So let me show you how I throw it together. Okay, folks, I start out by laying down my sun-dried tomato basil wrap on some paper towels. Evenly distribute some green leafy romaine or leafy green romaine. I take one slice of pepper jack and I essentially break it in half and place it on top of the lettuce. Now you can also put these ingredients into a bowl and mix it up prior to putting it on the wrap, but I choose to do it like this. And the final step will be simply sprinkling some delicious Chipotle Ranch dressing by Wishbone right on top. Oh yeah, babe, look at that. Not too much. Very simple, but very colorful. My trick to folding these wraps is, I actually put a little too much dressing on it, that's okay. I grab each side of the wrap, fold it in slightly, then I take the back end, fold it over the contents, and push them back, grab these corners and fold these in, and roll this over, and bam, there you go. There is my folded wrap ready to be eaten. Not perfect, but it looks pretty damn good if I do say so myself. Well, let's see what this tastes like. Delicious as always. Now, as you saw, there's not much to this. It's literally the wrap, lettuce, cheese, and dressing. You can also add croutons, cucumber if you want, but this is a very light meal, and this is how I try to eat when Gary and I aren't filming our videos. So we each do a solo video every week, and we do a joint video. And normally we eat junk on those videos. So when we're not filming our regular videos, I wanted to try to eat something a little more refreshing and a little healthier. So this is what I chose to do. That Wishbone Chipotle Ranch has a nice smoky flavor. It takes this wrap to another level. And as I finish my wrap, I will say that does it for this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell to be notified when all of our new videos drop on our channel. Thank you so very much for watching. This is the end screen. Click right there to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos here and here. Again, thank you so very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.